Today, we're going to share a few awesome life hacks you need to try during the summer season. Are you going for a swim or for a walk? Where to put your money and jewelries? Take it with you! Make a smart, practical holder for your valuables. Take a container with a screw top. Pour in a little water. Add acrylic paint. Mix well. Put on the top and rotate the container to paint the inside. Take off the top. Turn over the container to let the excess paint flow down. Prick the top with a big nail. Thread beads onto a cord. Pass it through the hole in the top. Put it on the other end. Tie a knot. Snip off the excess. Cover the hole with sealant. We've got a beautiful and functional accessory. Put in your valuables and go for a swim wearing the cool necklace. The top sets tight and the sealant prevents water from entering, so your stuff will be kept better than in the safe. Are you afraid you can lose your key? You can't if you get this lovely minion keychain, even if you drop it in the water. We'll need a wine cork. Paint it white. Gradually turn the cork into a funny minion. Paint the one half yellow. Turn the other into blue pants. Add some details. Paint a white circle for an eye. Add some color. Make the pupil in the center. Paint the goggles with a black belt around the head. Make a big pocket on the pants. Add a smile and hair. The reflection of light will make the eye look alive. Screw a hook on top. Fasten your key. The funny minion swims as well as it's made from cork. So if you drop it in the water, it'll keep your key floating. Do you want to add some romance to a summer night? Light a scented candle and enjoy the nice smell that helps repel mosquitoes. Take a lemon and a lime. Cut them in half and cut out a slice. Squeeze the juice. Take spices, a cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cloves, pimento, and star anise. Put them in a glass jar. Pour in the citrus juice. Add lemon and lime slices. Pour in water to fill about 2/3. Put in a candle in a metal cup. Light the candle and enjoy the scent of spices and citrus fruit. Besides, the smell repels insects, and that's essential when you're outside. The flame is reflected from the jar walls and water, so the liquid-scented candle looks like a cozy nightlight. The next life hacks will help you avoid mosquito bites in an effective and safe way. If you are going to spend your day in a forest or park, it's essential that you wear mosquito repellent. It's better to prevent the insects from biting you than suffer from their bites afterwards. Add a punch of cinnamon powder in a bottle and a bit of vanilla. Pour in the citrus juice left over from where we made the candle. Pour in some water to half fill the bottle. Put on the spray top. Shake well to mix the ingredients. The repellent spray is ready. Apply it to uncovered skin surfaces and don't be afraid of the bites. It's an all-natural solution, skin-friendly, and safe for children. Besides,